COVID-19 cases in Nagaland surge past 400 mark with 28 fresh cases reported from Dimapur, Kohima and Peren quarantine centers. Prime Minister shares his thoughts in Man Ki Baat program, reminds people that the country has moved out of the lockdown phase to the unlock phase of corona crisis. And India records close to 20,000 COVID-19 cases in a single day for the first time today, taking the tally to 5,28,859. Number of active cases stand at 2,03,051. Well, hello and welcome to this news broadcast from News and Trends. We'll begin this bulletin by taking a look at the COVID-19 update from the state. COVID-19 cases in Nagaland surged past 400 mark with fresh cases reported from Dimapur, Kohima and Peren quarantine centers. A total of 25 new cases were reported from Nagaland during the last 24 hours, taking the total number of cases beyond the 400 mark, touching 412 by late afternoon today. State's Health and Family Welfare Minister S. Pangipom informed this in a tweet this morning, saying 25 new cases of COVID-19 positive have been reported out of 609 samples tested. 20 patients from Dimapur Quarantine Center, 3 from Kohima Quarantine Center and 2 from Peren Quarantine Center. Meanwhile, in another tweet this evening, the minister informed that 3 new cases of COVID-19 positive have been reported out of 15 samples received from Dibrugarh. This time, all the cases are from Mon Quarantine Center. With this addition of 28 new cases of the coronavirus, total positive cases reached 415, active cases stand at 251 and 164 recoveries. Prime Minister Narendra Modi shared his thoughts in Man Ki Baat program and reminded people that the country has moved out of the lockdown phase to the unlock phase of corona crisis. He said that during this unlock period, one will have to focus deeply on 2 points: defeating corona and strengthening the economy and bolstering it. He told that during the unlock period, people have to stay more vigilant compared to the lockdown period, and only their nest can save them from corona. He said during the corona pandemic, people will have to protect themselves from different diseases also. He suggested to keep using Ayurvedic medicines, herbal decoctions and hot water to stay healthy. Modi said that during this unlock phase, many other things are getting unlocked which had hitherto shackled the country for decades. He said for years the mining sector, space and agriculture were in the state of lockdown. Now the decisions taken by government have unshackled the bottlenecks and given a boost to these sectors. Citing an article, the Prime Minister said during the corona pandemic, the demand for spices including ginger, turmeric and other spices has increased not only in Asia but also in America. He said the entire world is focused on increasing the immunity at this time, and these immunity-enhancing ingredients are linked with India. He said we should be able to communicate about it in an easy and simple language to the people across the globe for a healthier planet. India recorded close to 20,000 COVID-19 cases in a single day for the first time today, taking the tally to 5,28,859, while the death toll rose to 16,095 according to the Union Health Ministry data. The data updated at 8 a.m. showed 19,906 new cases, while 410 persons succumbed to the disease in the last 24 hours. This is the 5th consecutive day that coronavirus infections have increased by more than 15,000. The country saw a surge of 338,324 infections from June 1 till date. The number of active cases stands at 2,03,051, while 3,09,712 people have recovered and 1 patient has migrated according to the updated data. Thus, around 58.56% patients have recovered so far, an official said. Maharashtra has reported the highest number of cases, followed by Delhi, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and West Bengal, according to the ministry data. In the northeast, Assam has reported 6,816 cases of the pathogen. A total of 1,334 cases have been reported from Tripura. Manipur has 1,092 COVID-19 cases. Mizoram has 148. Arunachal Pradesh has 177, Meghalaya 47, and Sikkim has reported 87 cases till now. The total number of global coronavirus cases has reached 99,75,401, while the death toll has reached 4,98,627 according to the Johns Hopkins University. With 25,10,092 confirmed cases and 1,25,539 deaths, the US currently accounts for the highest number of infections and fatalities in the world. Brazil comes in the second place with 13,13,667 infections and 57,070 deaths. The other countries with over 10,000 deaths are the UK, Italy, France, Spain, Mexico and India. In Assam, flood situation remains critical in the state as most of the major rivers are in spate. Official sources in Guwahati said that 5,65,000 people are affected due to the floods in 20 districts. Road communication badly disrupted at many places. Surging water also damaged 56,000 hectare crop areas and people are taking shelter at 109 relief camps. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal said that instruction has been given to the district administrations to extend help to flood-affected people. Sonowal said that the government is monitoring the situation round the clock. Block Task Force Bhandari held a consultative meeting on COVID-19 at the conference hall of the Additional Deputy Commissioner Bhandari on Saturday to review the management of the pandemic in the subdivision. The meeting was chaired by Tia Miran Chang, Additional Deputy Commissioner and Chairman BTF Bhandari. Dr. Kiku Kutso, EAC Bhandari, informed that 35 quarantine inmates have been released after completing 14 days institutional quarantine at Bhandari and they have been sent home for home quarantine. The meeting decided that the SOP and protocol implemented successfully at 4 quarantine centers at Bhandari subdivision shall remain the same until further notice. ADC Bhandari urged police personnel to strictly check all 3 check gates of Bhandari town and allow vehicles with valid permit except essential commodities and emergency services. He also expressed sincere gratitude to members of BTF Bhandari for giving the best efforts for the benefit of the people in fighting against the COVID-19 pandemic. According to the Department of Health and Family Welfare, out of the total of 251 active cases, 55 patients are at Dimapur, 69 patients are presently undergoing treatment at Kohima, 38 are admitted in Mon District Hospital, 82 patients are at Peren, 1 patient is at Phek Hospital, Zinaboto 3 and another 3 patients are at Twensang. All 251 positive cases are asymptomatic. 128 persons have recovered from Dimapur, 25 from Kohima, 6 from Peren and 5 from Twensang. With this, the latest figures for recovered patients stand at 164. Dimapur has so far reported 183 cases, Kohima has reported 94, 38 cases have been reported from Mon, 88 in Peren, 1 from Phek, 8 from Twensang and 3 from Zinaboto. The district-wise distribution of cases by domicile district are Kohima 46, Dimapur 84, Mokokchung 0, Phek 2, Zinaboto 5, Twensang 13, Mon 63, Wokha 10, Kifri 4, Longland 2, Peren 164 and others 22. That's all we have time for in this edition of News Broadcast. But before we leave you, here's another reminder that you can send in your videos at the WhatsApp number flashed below and be part of the venture of being a citizen journalist. Do let us know what's happening in your village, your district, your locality, or your hometown so that we can share your videos to the rest of the viewers watching this broadcast. Meanwhile, stay safe, practice safe health hygiene, and maintain social distancing wherever you are. But most importantly, take good care of yourself. Thanks for watching.